Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Angel holding a heart, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the middle, splitting the paper in half. We're going to, from the center, curve this line up and down for the top of that heart. We'll flip across and we will do the exact same thing on the right hand side. Now let's step down for the hand. We're going to curve this in towards the middle. And now right in the center, we're going to draw in another arch line. Let's close off the hand. We're going to curve this around and through towards the side. Let's add in the claws now. So coming in on the top, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving this out and then back through. Let's come down in the middle. We're going to curve this across and then over on the side, doing the exact same thing on the right, just mirroring it in the opposite direction. Let's come down again one last time, just drawing in that last claw, curving that up to the center. Let's close off the arm. So coming up on top of the heart here beside, we're going to curve this all the way around and in towards that hand. Just making sure that connects there. Let's come underneath for the heart on the side. We're going to arch this around and in towards the center, lining that up as best as we can, replicating that on the right, just joining that at a point. Let's move down underneath. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and through on the right. We'll come across. We're going to bend the knee here, so we're going to arch this out. And now let's tuck this back in to the arm. Let's come down for the foot. So stepping down from this line slightly for that center toe, we're just going to arch this line across. Let's step back in, drawing another arch line. And then from there, we're just going to draw in a small curved line, bringing that down. Let's step across for that third toe, arching that in. Now from that corner, just curving this back around and through, leaving a small gap from that line on the very top there. Let's close off the bottom of the leg. We're going to curve this line in. And now again on the bottom, just rounding this out, curving that across. Now in the center, let's draw in a nice big circle. Let's move up. For the toes, we're just going to draw in an arch line in each open space here. And now let's move up to the top and draw in the face. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side, curving this around and up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Let's continue to round out the rest of the face here. So we're going to curve this around, arching that down. Now let's close off the top of the head. So right in the center here, we're just going to arch this over and across. Let's come down in the middle. For the nose, we're going to draw in another arch line. And then underneath, we're going to draw in another arch line, curving this around and through on the side. Let's leave a gap. Let's step over. For the nostril, curving this line across. Now let's color this in black. Let's step over for the eyes. So coming across, we're going to curve this line up and through towards the side, and we're just going to leave space for the eyelash here. So starting on that top line, curving this out. We're going to extend that past the line on the side of the face, because when we color this in black, we won't see that line in the middle. Let's do the exact same thing from that top point here, curving this down. And now let's close this off. So from that inside corner, arching that around and through towards the eyelash now. And now let's add in a highlight on our eye. So on the top, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then now from here, we're just going to color in our eyes black. Let's frame it around the eye now. So coming down on a diagonal from that corner, we're just going to curve this line up and over towards the side of the head. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's move up. We're going to add in a small detailed line here, curving this over and across. Let's start on the inside corner here. We're going to curve this around and up to the side. In the middle, let's draw a straight line coming down. For the mouth now, starting back on this line, we're going to arch this out on both sides. And then we're going to draw in a small corner bracket on each line. Let's come down, drawing in a small arch line. And then we're going to close this off for the chin with 2 curved lines, connecting those to that bottom line there. Let's come across and draw in the ears now. So stepping over, we're going to arch the line out, up, and across. We'll replicate this on the right-hand side, lining this up at the exact same height as best as we can. Let's step up, closing off the top of the ear, curving this down towards the head. And then we'll continue to round this out. So starting back on this line, blending that back in together, we're going to curve this all the way around and through towards the side of Angel's head, just leaving a gap from that top line. Let's come back up from that corner, curving this out. And then moving back up on the top of the ear, arching this around and down. Lastly, we just have to add in her antennas behind now. So leaving a gap, we're going to start with our outward line first. So on the top, so we're going to curve this up and down towards that ear. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, drawing that at the same size. We'll continue to imagine this comes behind the ear now, pulling this around and back through towards that ear. Let's continue to come underneath. So stepping in, leaving a small gap, we're going to round this up and back down. Now let's close this off underneath. So again, imagining this comes through behind the head, we're just going to curve this line around and back through, connecting that on that very top line there. And then just adding in the small details here on the top, curving this down. And then we'll step across, replicating that, arching that through towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Angel from Lilo and Stitch holding a heart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.